Hey folks, thanks for stopping by to watch my videos. Today I've got another Copterdude's Got Mail episode for you. And what kind of a package have I got today? Well, I've got two of the 7.4 volt 2S 2000 mAh lithium ion batteries used in the Spektrum radios, such as the DX8, which I happen to have here, and my DX6, which is somewhere else. So yeah, let's get them out of the packages and take a closer look at them. So I've moved things over to a bit of a brighter spot where you can have a little more contrast to see what you're looking at. Having done that, I'll take them out of the packages. Alright, I've undone the tape on the bottom, so let's pry them out here. There's one, and the other one. There we are. Okay, and we have, I think, maybe on this one? Yeah, instruction manual. Look at that. There we go. Fun. Okay, don't need that. Packages, don't need those. Okay, batteries. So these are, you can read the ratings on there, but they're lithium-ion, 2S, 2000 mAh, 1.4, 14.8 watt-hour, 500 mAh charge. Yeah, you can read it, okay? I don't have to read it. So that's the specifications, or those are the specifications of the batteries. They're both the same batteries. And I'll go grab my radio and we'll plug them in. Okay, so I've got my radio here, setting it to the off position. You can see on the back, there's the battery compartment with the plug on the far left corner there. Bit of a process to get it plugged in, so I'm going to go plug it in off camera, and I'll come back to you when it's all ready to be turned on. Alright guys, so the battery is now plugged in and sitting nicely in there. So you can see that plug and the cord right there. It does make this angle not quite parallel with this line here, and that's quite alright. In fact, that makes it nice and snug. Just make sure you're not pulling it in and out too much, because I did that with the last battery I had, and it made the plug phrase. That's why I decided to buy two, so each radio had its own battery. I didn't have to keep switching radios and switching batteries. But as you can see, there's a plug there for charging it, so you can charge it while it's in the radio. And there are the three tabs there, as you can see, for the battery back that holds the battery in. But I find that it friction fits so nicely in there, and it's only if you really get it perfectly fitted in that you can actually put the backing on. It's just really a hassle and that extra stress you don't need to go through to get the backing on, because it's just so well fit in there already. I've actually broken the tabs on one back already just trying to press it on there over the battery because it's such a tight fit. Just make sure this cord here, there is a little place up in here where my finger is there for the cord to nest in, right by the plug. Make sure it nests up in there and doesn't get caught in here too much, because the more it gets caught in here, the more it's going to fray. Especially for someone like me who flies discus launch gliders. If you're launching really hard and that cord's stuck in there, it could eventually fray, over time. So be aware of that. But now, the radio is ready to be turned on. And there you have it. DX8 Gen 2 has been turned on. I have my strong Balsa DLG. Have it like that because I have a lightweight one and a strong one. So that's where that is. But yeah, we've got all our nice little menus here, the model select, and all that. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and if you like what you see, you can like the video. If you like it a lot, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more content like this, and leave a comment if you have anything to say. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you later.